deal, YouTube? It's Rico the Waver, man. We back again with another video. I just want to start the video by telling y'all I apologize for my last video. My waving on the budget video came out good. Everything was just A1. I just couldn't add the last clip, man. Let me mute my phone real quick. I just couldn't add the last clip because the video got corrupted. The last part of the video got corrupted. So I'm going to roll that clip for y'all right now. This with that VO5 in there. No product in there. It's fresh off the washing style like I just showed y'all. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Did I progress? Did I lose waves? What did the Walmart products do to my head? Alright, now that y'all seen that, man, I showed y'all the results. I'm a man of my word. I'm going to show y'all the results even if it had to be in my next video. Even if I had to redo the whole video over just to show y'all the results, man, I'm going to show y'all them. For today's video, I'm back again with another tutorial. I know it's been a minute since I gave y'all a tutorial, but I'm back again. We finna give y'all a tutorial. I know y'all like, damn, look at that do-rag he got on. Ooh, sheesh. He got on that velvet. Y'all ain't never seen me have a velvet on, man. I got a few velvets. I got some do-rags coming in, man. I got some stuff coming in. I got a lot of stuff I'm finna start doing, and I'm uploading every day this week, so make sure y'all turn on post notifications, and let's get right into the tutorial. Alright, so in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to get your hair healthier and make it having a healthier look, and just overall how to get your hair healthier, more deep, more defined waves. So let's get right into it by unragging, and I'm gonna explain to y'all the steps and tricks that I've used to unrag. I know y'all see it. Whoo, it's giving me the chills. It's giving me the chisels, man. I know y'all see that lay. Hey, in there, buddy. Things first, we're gonna start off by combing, man. 2019 is comb season, man. I wasn't combing. I ain't gonna lie, I wasn't combing 2018. I wasn't really combing. But 2019, I stepped my game up and I'm combing and I'm combing and I'm combing and I'm combing. I've been combing ever since this 15-week wolf, man. Alright, y'all. While I'm on a brief commercial trying to find this comb to finish this damn tutorial, y'all hit the link in the bio, man. Rico, hashtag Rico Gang. It gets you some % off on this website right here, man. Hey, bags, man. Get you some % off, man. Go use my code down below, man. Go use that right now. I found you. I found you, Miss New Booty. But y'all know about that shit. Y'all too young for that. Y'all too young for those. They was in there punk rocking in that motherfucker. Oh, so now that you finally combed out that new booty, you wanna just get ready to apply the product. And with the product we're gonna be applying, I'm gonna show y'all real quick. As for the comb, let's get that out of there. We done with that. Anyway, let's get into the product. Product we're gonna be using, as y'all know, this is the olive oil. Last cut video, I dropped it. Actually dropped some of the stuff out all over the place because I didn't know what I was doing. I thought it still had the concealed top on it when I first opened it. It was still brand new to me. Messed around and poured too much. Alright, if you pour too much, just lightly do it. And get the rest off your hands. So now that you got the grease off your hands, you feel me, and it's all in your hair, it's time to get that brush session in, you feel me, to lock it in. We want to lock it in there, you feel me, lock all that in there. We already rubbed it in, we sprayed it in, we rubbed it in, so it's all in there, it's all around my head, and now we're gonna get the brush session in. But before we get the brush session in, I got a special sneak peek for y'all for tomorrow's video. I'm gonna give y'all a real quick sneak peek. But y'all can't see till tomorrow. Y'all can't tell nobody, okay? You can't tell nobody, all right? Just real quick. That's all y'all get. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. I can't show you no more. You got your mirror, you got your brush, bro, and you just, you feel me? You go in. I know y'all in the comments right now, like, what's in the box? What's in a box? Y'all, some of y'all probably already know, but alright, y'all, so now that you got the brush session part over, it's time to lay this hair down and we're gonna rag up and show y'all the results. Now, I know y'all like, this video better not be over. I'm gonna show y'all the results. Calm down, simmer down. I know I forgot to show y'all. It ain't that I forgot, it got corrupted. I know. This one not gonna get corrupted, I promise. I fixed that whole situation. Just calm down. Get your handy dandy plastic bag and you go in with another session. Y'all should know this, man. You already knew what was coming next to lay this hair down. Ain't no other way to lay it down. Ain't no other way to lay it down. Y'all sick of me having this nasty plastic bag, man. I don't know. I might got something coming in. Alright, now that you did all of the steps that I told you to do. Pretty much laid down, man. So we're gonna lay that down and get right back at y'all. It's been about an hour and a half since I've ragged up. Y'all should have been ragged up for about no, y'all couldn't have been ragged up for about an hour. Y'all should be ragged up right now and finish watching the video to see the ending, and then you wait your hour and then come back and watch my next video. You feel me? Because by the time you come back, it's gonna be another video out, and you never know. So just stay tuned, man. Anyway, let me show y'all the results. Alright, y'all, it's been your boy Rico the Waver. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, share it with your friends. Stupid motorcycle in the background. Don't tell nobody about that sneak peek I gave y'all, feel me, for tomorrow's video. But anyway, I'm out. Deuces.